Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer. This is a new method for 2026. So it's going to give you a joystick so you can walk around the Pokemon world from your house. You got a bar on the right side of the screen so you can see all the nearby Pokemon. I mean, this thing is super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here. So it's super cool. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So as you can see, we can change the speed our character walks. And of course, we have the joystick, which allows us to walk around the Pokemon world from our house. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. You can see all the settings in here. So yeah, this is super cool. We've got favorites, which are huge cities full of Pokemon, and we can actually go ahead and teleport to these. So as you can see, I'm walking around with the joystick. So I'm walking around. So I'm going to go ahead and show you to get it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and go to pokespoofing.com. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here. So once you're on the website, guys, you just want to go ahead and press the button that says start injecting. And before it downloads, there's going to be a verification, guys. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps. So press inject, and then we will load the verification, guys. So let's just give it a second for this to load. As you can see, alright, so it's loading up. So here we are, it says time for verification. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps. So press verify now, and there's going to be tons of them, guys. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you should be good to go. So as you can see, I'm going to do Lumo VPN, so it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here. As you can see, so while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So I'm going to do Travel Town as the other one. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just wait for this to redirect me here, as you can see. And now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. Alright, so the VPN is done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just running it right here. So it's super simple. So I'm just doing that, as you can see. Alright, so let's just do this. Alright, here we go. So anyway, I think we've spent enough time on this app, so now I'm going to do the other one, which is Travel Town. This one's a game, so just got to go ahead and play through it here, as you can see. So I'm just going to run that. Alright, just playing through it. The games are all different, guys, but it should be pretty simple overall. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright. Just playing through it, so it's pretty easy. So you guys should have no problems at all. So let me just go ahead and run this right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to do that. Alright, so I'm just running this. So now we will open up the Spoofer, and you'll have the joystick, the bar on the right side of the screen that shows you all the nearby Pokemon. All those settings, guys, are going to be here. Another feature is enhanced throw. This gives you a 100% catch rate if you throw the ball right. So it's super cool, guys. Tons of settings. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you later. But here's the enhanced throw, just so you guys can see. It actually works. You just got to throw the ball right, which is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself if you want to get a fully working spoofer.